Woe is me, sad, sad bird. Oh, birdness, oh, dear birdie tears. Oh, what's the matter, Petri? Why are you so sad? I just can't. What? I just can't seem to do anything. Oh, what do you mean you can't seem to do anything? Whenever I try, sometimes I just fail. Oh, bird tears, oh. Petri, hey, I'm kind of feeling sad today. How can we help you? Because, truthfully, you can. And I can help you. You'll help me? Yes. And there's lots of other people that would want to help you. Okay, but sometimes I don't even want to try. Well, you know what? Sometimes we need just a little pick-me-up. And so, you know what? I have something for you. What do you mean? I brought you something. Would you like to know what it is? Yes, yes, yes. Please show me. Show me. All right. It's something right here. Is that what I think it is? Yeah, I think you know what it is. It's an almond. It looks like birdseed. It is kind of like birdseed. Would that, like, help motivate you? It's my precious. I want it. I need it. I hear you on that, Petri. It's okay. I was gonna say, I have a bunch of these, and we could give you some so that you could maybe work for something, and then it would feel like a good reward. I like it. Let's do it, little one. Okay, we'll work on this together. Petri, you hold that right in there. Oh, okay. Oh. I sure like that. Let's do that. Let me try. I can. So the first step of being able to move from I can't to I can is you gotta believe that you can. Okay, let me try. Let me believe. Let me try to believe for another one of those delicious, delicious almonds. Yes, I have more of those to help you, and it sounds like that would be good for you. But the first step is to be able to say, I can. I can. I'm glad you feel that way now. Okay, the next thing is, let's make a plan. Let's make a plan for how to do it. Okay, I really want to make a plan for... Yeah, you know what? What was that one thing you felt like you can't do? I can't fly. You can't fly? Nope, I can't fly. I just stay on the ground and go, woe is me, woe is me. Can I have another almond? Yes, I'll get you another almond very soon. But let's make a plan for how you can learn to fly. Okay. So for you, it looks like the one thing you need to be able to do something is wings, because I can't fly. Oh, I have wings. Look at me. I have some gorgeous wings. Look at it like this. It has a little red on them and green, and I even have a cute face, and I can get up there and see the kids. I know you can see them like that. So anyway, like to make a plan to fly, it would start with flapping your wings. Oh, you mean like this? Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. You are. Look at you. You're really flying. I can do it. I can do it. I can. And it sounds like it was just from making that plan, that really did seem to help you to just start flapping your wings. Thank you. Oh, my buddy. Oh, no problem, my buddy. I'm so excited you're excited. Hey, thank you for thinking about, first of all, saying you can, and then trying to make it happen with a plan. That's a really good way to make things happen. I'm proud of you. Thanks for teaching the kids something new. Can they be excited because I can get another almond? Yes, I got a whole thing of almonds, and we can enjoy those together. Yay! Bye, kids. See you later. I'm going to have a feast. Bye, kids. I will see you later, and I'm going to help Petri enjoy his feast because he can. Thank you.